In this video, I'll guide you through how to hire employees on Indeed step by step so you can move from posting a job to making a solid hire with confidence. Let's start with creating and posting your job listing. First, sign in to your Indeed employer account and go to the section where you can post a new job. You'll be asked for basic details like the job title, location, and whether the role is remote, hybrid, or on site. Take your time with the job title and description. Use clear, straightforward language that accurately reflects the position, rather than trying to be overly creative. For example, customer support representative is better than something vague like customer hero. In the job description, explain the main responsibilities, the skills and experience you're looking for, and any must-have qualifications. The clearer you are here, the more likely you are to attract relevant candidates. You'll also set the employment type, such as full-time, part-time, or contract, and outline the schedule if it's important for the role. When it comes to compensation, include a salary range whenever you can. Candidates are more likely to apply when they have a realistic idea of pay. Next, you can add screening questions. These help you automatically filter applicants based on basic requirements like years of experience or specific certifications. Once everything looks good, choose whether you want your job to be a free listing or a sponsored job for more visibility. Then publish your job so it appears on Indeed. After your job is live, applications will start showing up in your Indeed employer dashboard. This is your central hub for managing the hiring process. Here you can see each candidate's resume, answers to screening questions, and any other information they've provided. Make it a habit to check this dashboard regularly, especially in the first few days after posting, because that's often when you receive the most applications. As you review incoming applications, look for a clear match between the candidate's experience and your job description. Pay attention to relevant work history, key skills, and any red flags like large unexplained gaps. Use the tools in the dashboard to organize candidates. You can mark them as a good fit maybe or not a fit so you don't lose track of where each person stands. Once you've reviewed the initial batch of applications, start shortlisting your top candidates. These are the people whose experience, skills, and answers stand out as closely aligned with the role. From within the dashboard, you can send messages directly to these candidates. Keep your messages clear and professional. Let them know you've reviewed their application, that you're interested in speaking further, and what the next step will be. When candidates respond, move on to scheduling interviews. You can coordinate times through Indeed's messaging system or share a scheduling link if you use a separate calendar tool. Confirm the interview format, whether it's a phone call, video meeting, or in person, and give them an idea of what to expect, like how long it will take and who they'll be speaking with. After you've completed your interviews, compare your notes and decide which candidate best fits the role and your team. Consider not only skills and experience, but also communication style and overall professionalism throughout the process. Once you've made your choice, contact the selected candidate with your offer and update your Indeed dashboard so you can close out or pause the job posting. That's the full process for hiring employees on Indeed: posting your job, reviewing applications, shortlisting and contacting candidates, and scheduling interviews until you select the right person to hire.